So first I create the human characters over here. Okay. So all drawings start from the what?
Circular and oval.
Circle and oval, always, as always. So I creating one character, human character with the scenery. Okay. So let's do this. It's a cartoon character, maybe.
Make
Okay. First make it circle. Okay. After the circle, just make it like this. Circle done. Do like this one.
the sir,
Like this. Make it circle first and do like this. Here one character. I just make character like this. Very simple. See, this is first simple. First draw this part. Okay.
his face looks like Slender Man.
I do this. Show the page and all. आराम से take time.
Sir, I'm done. Can you see mine?
Yes, the next steps I show you. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. So now you can draw this. This was done. Neha done beta. That much. Shatya, just mute yourself after the. If you are done, then you can find. We can go ahead to the next steps. Okay. So let's start next steps. So you can do the what character it is. Very simple. Okay. So make it like this: one line, and two lines. This is the nose line. This is the eyes line. In this eyes line, draw the eyes. Make the eyes. Okay, upper part little bigger. And this eyes is over here. Nose over here. Okay, and this mouth small. How can draw this very easy drawing with this techniques? Okay. Make it like this. Like a though? Hmm? Folding star নিয়ে আসবে একটু folding star. So make this aram se. See this? Okay. How to create the with the basic shape. Basic shape to character. Okay. First basic shape is a circle. Okay, and the straight line. I make it the basic shape like this now. Like this, and now creating the character from here to here. Is that easy or difficult? This drawing is easy or difficult? Circle.
It is easy.
Okay.
It is very easy.
Very good. What about Dishka? Is easy or difficulties?
Sir, it's kind of difficult, but it's easy.
Good. The Mickey Mouse kind of character. See? I just make like this. Okay, he says something, go get out from here. He tells some doggy like this. This drawing I have been coloring. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Which color you are using?
You're using the red color, beta. Any red color you can use this. For the Mickey Mouse
Yes,
color. It is erasing this inside. We are making the scenery. No. Like this hand.
Sir, I made sir, look, I made my own character.
Okay, nice.
I made my own character.
Sir, shall I use fresh tint for the
Yeah, you can do the first tint, yes. He's wearing the half pant. Black. Like it's like this. The boots colors. It also stuck with the just make some shading, a little bit of the body. You can give the same with the transana. And nose. Okay. And you can create a scenery with this. ठीक है, खा लो। अच्छा। So just erasing this part. It's difficult to erase because it's very dark pencil. Mm. So you can add something. That girl, that boy. Uh, that boy is in his in jungle, or it's front of his house. Maybe this boy is. I just make some scenery with this. Okay, like this. Just make. Okay, here's some tree house. Make some tree house like this. Okay, this is the door. Fish, fish, the fish. The fish in jar. No, my baby tell that this is a feast. This is a fish. This is a fish. So this is a fish. So here you can make some birds. Okay, see something staying here. You can make some scenery. Okay, here something tree. Here something draw the tree like this. This tree and here some boat, water boats. Someone water. Okay, just make like you can make your own scenery also here.
Sir, is it okay with no scenery?
Yeah, you can make my scenery too, or you can draw your own scenery also if you wish.